The cardinal is a bird found in the eastern United States. They are found in gardens, city parks, urban areas, and people's backyards. Cardinals have a black face mask, a cone-shaped beak, a crest on their head, and a long tail. The male cardinals are bright red, and the female cardinals are pale brown. The female cardinals are pale brown because it camouflages them and their young from predators. Cardinals eat seeds, insects, fruits, and spiders. Female cardinals build their nests in dense shrubs or low trees. They lay about 2 to 3 eggs for 11 to 13 days. The cardinal is the state bird of Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. Cardinals live for approximately 3 to 5 years, and some live for 15 years. Cardinals are beautiful birds, and they are another one of God's amazing animals.